वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वदरुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तः शान्तः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
तारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यम् च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रम् सूत्रविदो विदुः।
प्रत्ययाः शिवसूत्राणि
प्रत्ययाः शिवसूत्राणि
आदेशागमस्तथा
आदेशागमास्तथा
धातुपाठो गणपाठः
धातुपाठो गणपाठः
उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः
उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः।
भूवादयो धातवः
भूवादयो धातवः
सनाद्यन्ता धातवः
सनाद्यन्ता धातवः
धात्वादेशः सः
धात्वादेशः सः
नो नः
नो नः
इदितो नुं धातोः
इदितो धातोः
ऋतयुद्धातोः
ऋतयधातोः
उपधायाश्च
उपधायाश्च
उदोष्ट्यपूर्वस्य
दोष्ठ्यपूर्वस्य
ऋर्वोरुपधाया दीर्घ इकः
ऋवरुपधाया दीर्घ इकः
हलि च
हलि च
उपधायां च
उपधायं च
प्रत्ययः
प्रत्ययः
परश्च
परश्च
आद्युदातश्च
आद्युदात्तश्च
धातोरेकाचो हलादे क्रिया समभिघादे यङ्
धातोरेकाचो हलादेः क्रियसमाधिहारे यम्
धातोः
धातोः
लस्य
लस्य
तिप्तश्री सिप्तस्तस्विप् भस्मस्त आथां च थास् आथां द्वम् इट् मही महिङ्
तिप्तस्थि सिप्तस्था मिप्तस्मास् पा आतन् जा धास् आतन् भम् इट् वहि महिम्
तिङ्क्षित् सार्वधातुकम्
तिंशित् सार्वधातुकम्
आर्धधातुकम् शेषः
आर्धधातुकम् शेषः
लिट्
ऋक् च
लिङ्गाशिषि
लिङ्गाशिषु
लः परस्मैपदम्
लः परस्मैपदम्
तङ्गानावात्मनेपदम्
रङ्गानावात्मनेपदम्
तिङस्त्रीणि त्रीणि प्रथममध्यमोत्तमाः
तिङ्नस्त्रीणि त्रीणि प्रथममध्यमोत्तमाः
तानि एकवचन द्विवचन बहुवचनान्येकशः
तानि एकवचन द्विवचन बहुवचनानि एकशः
बहुषु बहुवचनम्
बहुषो बहुवचनम्
द्वेकयो द्विवचनैकवचने
द्वैकयोर्द्विवचनैकवचने
विभक्तिश्च
तिश्च
युष्मद्विपपदे समानाधिकरणे स्थानिन्यपि मध्यमः
युष्माद्युपपदे समानाधिकरणे स्थानिन्यपि मध्यमः
अस्मद्युत्तमः
अस्माद्युत्तमः
शेषे प्रथमः
शीर्षे प्रथमः
अनुदातङ्गित आत्मनेपदम्
तदात्मनीत आत्मनेपदम्
भावकर्मणोः
भावकर्मणोः
पूर्ववत्सनः
पूर्ववत्सनः
आम् प्रत्यवत् कृञोऽनुप्रयोगस्य
आम् प्रत्ययवत् कृञोऽनुप्रयोगस्य
स्वरितङ्गितः कर्तृभिप्राये क्रियापरे
स्वरितदीर्घः कर्तृभिप्रये क्रियाफले
निचश्च
नीतश्च
शेषात् कर्तरि परस्मैपदम्
शेषात् कर्तरि परस्मैपदम्
लः कर्मणि च भावे च कर्मकेभ्यः
कर्मणि च भवे च कर्मकेभ्यः
वर्तमाने लट्
वर्तमाने लट्
अनद्यतने लङ्
अनद्यतने लङ्
छन्दसि लिट्
छन्दसि लिट्
परोक्षे लिट्
परोक्षे लिट्
लट् स्मे
लट् स्मे
अपरोक्षे च
अपरोक्षे च
लट् शेषे च
लट् शेषे च
अनद्यतने लुट्
अनद्यतने लुट्
लुङ्
लुङ्
माङ्गी लुङ्
माङ्
नमाङ् योगे
नमाङ् योगे
स्मोत्तरे लङ् च
स्मोतरे लङ् च
लिङ् निमित्ते लृङ् क्रियातिपत्तौ
लिङ्निमित्ते लिङ् क्रियातिपत्तौ
एतुमतो लिङ्
हेतुमतोर्लिङ्
भूते च
भूते च
इच्छार्थेषु लिङ् लोटौ
चार्तेषु लिङ् लोटौ
समानकर्तृकेषु तुमुन्
समानकर्तृकेषु तुमुन्
लिङ् च
लिङ् च
इच्छार्थेभ्यो विभाषा वर्तमाने
चार्थेभ्यो विभाषा वर्तमाने
विधि निमन्त्रणामन्त्रणाधीष्ट सम्प्रश्न प्रथातनेषु लिङ्
विधिमन्त्रणामन्त्रणाधीष्ट सम्प्रश्न प्रार्थनेषु लिङ्
लोट्
लोट् च
प्रैष अतिसर्गप्राप्तकालेषु कृत्याश्च
प्रैष अतिसर्गपराप्तकालेषु कृत्याश्च
अर्घे कृत्य तृचश्च
अर्हे कृत्यत्रिचश्च
कृत्याश्च
कृत्याश्च
शकीलिङ् च
शकीलं च
आशिशीलिङ् लोटौ
शिशिलिं लोटौ
लिङर्थे लेट्.
ङर्थे लेट्.
So लह कर्मणि च कर्म भावे च कर्मकेभ्यः. So लह लकारः is प्रत्ययः. लकारः धातोः परः भवति. लह लस्य स्थाने तिबादयः आदेशः भवन्ति. धातुभ्यः परः प्रत्ययः. So धातुभ्यः कर्मणि कर्तरि इति अनुवृत्तिः अस्ति. कर्तरि कृत् from that सूत्र. कर्तरि कर्मणि च भावे. कर्तरि कर्मणि च भावे च कर्मकेभ्यः. How to understand the sutra? So अकर्मकेभ्यः भावे कर्तरि कर्मिके अनुवृत्ति भावे च अकर्मकेभ्यः. तो वृत्तिं पश्यतु. लकाराः सकर्मकेभ्यः धातुभ्यः कर्मणि कारके भवन्ति. चकारात् कर्तरि च. लः कर्मणि च. In fact, two sutras. See, this is लः कर्मणि च. लः कर्मणि च कर्तरि is अनुवृत्ति. कर्तरि कर्मणि च लकार लकाराः प्रत्ययाः विबादयः धातुभ्यः भवन्ति. One part. भावे च अकर्मकेभ्यः. अकर्मकेभ्यः is mentioned. सकर्मकेभ्यः not mentioned. Therefore, when the dhatus, if you remove sakarma, akarmakebhyaha, what is left out is sakarmaka. So therefore, we have to understand for this part, laha kartari karmani cha sakarmakebhyaha dhatubhyaha kartari karmani laha pratyaha bhavanti akarmakebhyaha kartari bhave cha. Simple. You have to make like that. That is what the sutra Vritti also says. Sakarmakebhyaha dhatubhyaha karmani karake. Karmani karake means the kriya, the karmani karake is the what is denoted by the kriya padam. Kriya padam before this, which karakarta tingantaha prayogaha bhavanti. Kartari arte kartari कर्तृनिर्देशः अथवा कर्मनिर्देशः कर्तृकारकात् निर्देशः भवति अथवा कर्मकारकार्थ अथवा भावे. यस् क्रिया. सो कर्तृकार कर्मणि कारके भवन्ति. चकारात् च इस् चकारात् कर्तरि च इति वन पार्ट. अकर्मकेभ्यः धातुभ्यः भावे भवन्ति. There also one more chakara is the two chakara. That is for akarmakebhyah chakarat kartari. This chakara sakarmakebhyah kartari. This chakara akarmakebhyah kartari. Bhave is for akarmakebhyah. Dhatubhyah bhave prayoge pratyah lakaraha pratyah bhavanti kartari cha. Similarly here this part is laha. Laha is common for both. Laha is pratyaha vibhadeyaha. Dhatubhyah bhavanti kartari cha karmani cha. कीदृशेभ्यः धातुभ्यः सकर्मकेभ्यः धातुभ्यः we need to understand. So द्विचकारः ग्रहणात् two time चकार is there. उभयत्र कर्तरि इति सम्बध्यते. On both sides it is connected. कर्तरि. अकर्म ग्रहणात् सकर्मकः अपि आक्षिप्तः भवति. Because सकर्म is mentioned, therefore कर्मणि is to be for सकर्मक धातु. Need to understand. So lakara gets added after sakarmaka dhatu to express the meaning of karmakaraka, and by virtue of chakara, it can also mean to explain kartakaraka. This is one part of the sutra. Second sutra, lakara can be added to akarmaka dhatu to express the meaning, plain meaning of the dhatu artha, or express the meaning of kartakaraka. Kartakaraka tasya nirdeshah bhavati. Nirdesha kriyate lakarena. The two chakaras in the sutra enable the sambandha of the word kartari for both Kartakaraka, Sakarmaka dhatu, Nakarmaka dhatu. So the final meaning is Sakarmaka dhatu can be in Kartari Prayoga and Karmani Prayoga. Akarmaka dhatu can be in Kartari and Bhave. That is the meaning. But we need to understand also one more. That is Karma Avivakshayam Sakarmaka Sakarmaka Sakarmake Dhatubyah Api Karma Avivakshayam Sakarmaka Dhatubyah Dhatu Sakarmaka Dhatu Karma Avivakshayam Bhave Prayoga Bhavanti. Bhave Prayoge api bhavati iti. Karma vikshayam. When karma is not specified, karma vikshayam. Akarmakaha iva bhavanti. Sakarmaka iva bhavati, the sakarmaka dhatu. So karma avivikshayam. When karma is not expressed by the kriyapadam, then it will be bhave prayoga. Bhave prayoge. That's what I said. Bhave prayoge api sakarma dhatuhu bhavati. So therefore, three prayogas: karmani, kartari, bhave. Ultimately, final understanding should be. For sakarmaka dhatu can be in kartari, bhave, and karmani, whereas akarmaka dhatu is only in kartari and bhave. This is the final result. Okay. Now, what is the doubt here? Yama.
This one doubt is first this cha word cha in the sutra is referring to kartari.
Bringing the anurti of kartari, yes.
But the kartari is already anubriti. So this cha is like saying this anubriti you have to put it here.
No.
Meaning why cha is there if there is anubriti?
See, anuvriti means you can do bring only one time, right?
Oh,
we required for both. That's why cha. Word is used means without any purpose you will not use. Laha karmani cha bhave akarmakebhyaha you could have used. Then what could have been the meaning of the sutra? Then kartari will come. So kartari and karmani and bhave. Then kartari for akarmake dhatu, asakramaka dhatu. We'll have problem. That's why two times cha is there. That's why the vritti, yeah, Dvichakara Graganat Ubayatra Kartari iti Sambandhyate. It is connected to both. Ubayatra. Ubayatra means Sakarmakebhyaha Dhatubhyaha Akarmakebhyaha Dhatubhyaha. Akarmakebhyaha Dhatubhyaha Bhave Bhavanti Chakarat Kartari cha. Sakarmakebhyaha Dhatubhyaha Api Chakarat Kartari Api Bhavanti Ityarthaha. Right.
Okay.
That is why cha is Anuvrti is that you have to bring only one time. The cha means two times cha is. Sorry. For understanding, we can consider this as two sutra. Laha karmani cha chakarat kartari. So that is sakarmaka, akarmaka. If you consider this as a two parts, this is akarmaka, and therefore this has to be sakarmaka. Bhave cha chakarat kartari. Bhave kartari cha akarmake bhyadatu pratyaha bhavanti. Then this part is kartari karmani cha sakarmake bhyadatu pratyaha bhavanti. Understand? So we have to understand it. That is with sakara grahanam.
Sakara meaning cha shabda.
What? Chakara means cha, the shabda, yes. Chakaraha. Yeah.
Okay. No. So we will use the kartari, karmani, and bhava prayoge pratyayas for sakarmaka.
Bhave prayoga pratyas. Okay. Bhave prayoga pratyaya. What bhave prayoga pratyaya? Not pratyaya. Laha pratyaya can be added to the dhatu, sakarmaka dhatu, right? Denoting the karta or karma or bhave. Similarly, akarmakebhyaha dhatubhyaha pratyayas. Ting pratyayas can be added to denote the karta or just the pure dhatu artha. Kriya. Okay. Pratyayas added to the kriya, the dhatu only expresses the meaning. Karakarta. Karakartam. Karakartasya nirdesham karoti. Kriyapadam. What karakartam? Before we have seen. The kriyapadam can denote kartakaraka or karmakaraka or bhave. Only pure action.
Yeah.
Kartakarakatam. Yes.
Here the laha is saying all the tin pratyayas.
Laha means it's a lakara. Lakara comes after the dhatu. Then laha means lasya sthane tipta srisiptasta vipasmas adesha bhavanti devadeha. First we have to dhatu plus laha only, lakara only. Laha stands for all the lakaras. Latta, lang, lot, ling, late, all the 10 lakaras. That lakaras will corresponding to purusha and prachana yachi pratyaya adesha tipta srisiptasta. For Tatam Purusha Ekavachanam, then Laha, Lattakare, Tasistan, Tip Prateha, Ti Adesha, Ti Pratesya Adesha Bhavati. So Tik will come in the place of Lat Lakara, and Lat comes after the Dhatu, Dhatu Bhyaha, Paraha, Prateha, Parasya, by the Sutra, right? Dhatoho Paraha, Prateha, Lakaraha, Lakara Prateyaha, or Tibadeyaha, Bhavati. Now that alone denotes the Karaka. What Karaka? The Dhatu is Sakarmaka. Whether it is Sakarmaka, Akarmaka. It will denote Karta will be, it will have Karta. It possibility I am saying. Kartarkar. Not Karta means. Kartari Prayoge, it will denote Karta. Karmani Prayoge, it will denote Karma, Sakarmaka Dhatu. Will denote Karma, the Vakya, the sentence. Or it will take Karma. Or Karma Vikshayam, just pure Dhatu Artha, Bhave. Whereas Akarmaka Dhatus, taking the Lakara, the Pratyaya. So it will denote, it can denote Karta or it can denote pure action.
Okay. Okay.
That's why I give the example of Ramaha Pustakam Patati. Right?
Yes.
Ramaha Pustakam Patati. Patati is Kriyapadam. What dhatu? Sakarmaka dhatoho, pat dhatoho, laha, lat lakaraha, lat lakara pratyaha bhavanti. Prathama purusha ekavachana pratyaya, tip pratyaya, pat plus tip. Whatever then a gana vikarana comes, something happens, patati. Patati kriyapadena kaha nirdeshaka bhavati. What is denoted by patati? What is denoted? Kartarkaraka. Ramaha pustakam patati. So, therefore, kartarkarakasya nirdeshaha bhavati. Right?
Yes.
Karmani prayoge ramena pustakam patyate. There patyate is the same patadatu. Sakarmaka dhatoho, lat lakara, karmani prayoge, lat pratyaha, te atmanepada pratyaha, te pat plus yak plus te patyate, tena kasya nirdeshaha bhavati, kasya nirdesham karoti, dhatu pustakam. That is karma. Karmakarakartam bhavati. Kartakarakatasya abhidhanam karoti athava karmakarakasya. Example for karmakaraka, ramena pustakam patyate. Suppose karma avivakshayam, yadyapi dhatuhu sakarmaka dhatuhu. Karma avivakshayam. My wish, I don't have to express the karma. What he reads, I need not tell. Ramaha kim patati iti maya vaktam na aham na vaktam ina ichchami. So Ramaha patyate. Kamena patyate. So Kriyapadena now Kasya Nirdesha Bhavati. Dhatoho. Just reading. Reading is done by
Okay.
Rama. Only reading is what is the only express of the action alone. The same Sakarmaka Dhatu, it can be in all the Prayoga. Right? That's what the first part of the sutra says. Laha.
Can we add the word denotes to make
That.
this sutra to make sense?
You cannot add, sorry, everything is makes sense only. You cannot improve upon the sutra.
Sorry. meaning but the word denotes, it's implicit.
Not required. Why do you require? What is it? Karmani is what is Karmani? Karmani Karake. Karmani means Karaka, it is. Kartari means Karake. Right? Laha is Pratyaha. Pratyaha Dhatoho Paraha Bhavati. Kidrishaha Pratyaya Kidrishaha Dhatoho. Sakarma Dhatoho. Sakarmekebhyaha Dhatubhyaha Laha Karmani Karake. Simple. Karmani Karake. Denoting the karma.
Denoting the karma.
Denoting the karma, it is added, right? In our buddhi, we can have it is denoted and all, right? So, kartari means kartari prayoga, an active voice, where the kriyapadam expresses the kartari karakartha. Karmani means passive voice, the voice of the sentence. In English, it's a voice. What is a voice? I don't know why they call it a voice, whatever it is. Passive voice, active voice, impersonal passive voice. I mean, sense. Voice means sense. The sense of. So we can say Saptami Vibhakti is Vishesh Saptami. So we can take Kartari Vishaye. Right? That's why we say the word Prayogaha iti. Kartari Prayoge. But Prayoga and all we use in the language. Bhashayam Kartari Prayogaha, Karmani Prayogaha. But the grammar, there is no Prayoga like that. Kartari Karmani, Saptami. So Karmani, Kartari Vivakshayam. Kartari Vivakshayam. Then the Vivaksha, that's what I think voice, probably. That's why in English it's called a voice. Bhaktum Ichcha Vivaksha, the desire. So Kartari Vivakshayam. That's why I said Vishesh Saptami. Kartari, you can say it is a Vishesh Saptami. Kartari Vishaye. You can say like that. Dhatoho. Sakarmakebhyaha Dhatobhyaha. Kartari Vishaye, Karmani Vishaye cha. Instead of Vishaya, I said Abhigite. Karta is Abhigitam with Kriyapadam. Is Kartari Prayoga. So therefore we can say Kartari Prayoga. If you write our own, definition of the sentence, Vritti. Kartari Prayoge, we will write. Because in Kartari Prayoga, Karta is Abhigitam by the Kriyapadam. Kartara Abhigite, we can say like that, nothing wrong. Abhigite we can supply in our buddhi, not in the sutra. It is understood. Because it is in Saptami Vibhakti. Therefore it is, you can take the Saptami to be a Vishesh Saptami. Kartari Vishaye. Kartari Abhigite. Right? So Sakarmakebhyaha Dhatubhyaha. Kartari Abhigite, Karmani Abhigite cha. Lakaraha Pratyaha Bhavanti. Akarmakebhyaha. Kartari Abhigite, Bhave Abhigite, Akarmakebhyaha Dhatubhyaha. Lakaraha Pratyaha Bhavanti. Right?
Okay.
So we can add that in our way. Nothing wrong adding, but not as an anuvritti. Okay, it's all understood. That is why we have the expression, we have this vivakti expression. The meaning of the karakas, certain things are expressed by the vivakti of the karaka. Karaka vivakti. The meaning of the word is expressed by the vibhakti of the word. That is, Saptami vibhakti means it is Vishaya. It expresses the Vishaya. And I said Abhigita because it is appropriate to use of Abhigita, so we can understand. But Abhigita means what is denoted by the Kriya Padam, because already we are familiar with the word Abhigita. Okay.
So mainly this sutra
Hmm.
is for telling which prayoga you can use for
Yes. Yes.
for dhatus.
Yes. Which prayaga you can use for which dhatus. That's what it says.
Okay.
That's what final meaning is. Which prayaga you can use. What prayagas are possible for the dhatus. Sakarmaka dhatu, Sakarmaka dhatus. Dhatus are divided into two, Sakarmaka and Akarmaka, transitive and intransitive. So which dhatus can be used in Kartari, which cannot be used? Which can be used, which cannot be used? I mean, in Kartari and Bhave, Kartari, Bhave, Karmani. Finally, okay.
Yes.
So,
and finally we can say that only in the akarmaka dhatus you cannot use karma. You cannot use in karmani prayoga.
Simple, obvious reason. It cannot take karma. That's why it's called akarmaka.
Yes.
What is akarmaka dhatu? What is the definition of akarmakatvam? The status of being an akarmaka. Phala vyapara samanadi. Phala samanadikarana vyapara vachakatvam akarmakatvam. That's a definition.
Yes. Last class.
Phala and the vyapara. Vyaparena karta nirdishtaha bhavati. Phalena karma. If these two have different locus, then the dhatu enjoy the status of being a sakarmaka. If these two are the same locus, then the dhatu enjoys the status of akarmaka. Right?
Yes.
So when there is samanadi karanam, same locus, then the dhatu will be akarmaka. Phala vyapara yogo binne adhikarane, yadikarane sati dhatu sakarmaka bhavati. Samanadhikaranah sati dhatuhu akarmakah bhavati. Yatha devadattah tandulan pachati. Pachati iti vyaparasya ashrayah. Kaha devadattah karta. Right? Now, tena pachakriyaya viklitihi. Vikliti means softening. Softening, that its adhikaranam is phala. The tandula, which is a palam. The rice. The rice is what is getting softened, not the Devadatta. The Vyapara done by the Vyapara cannot happen without Devadatta. Because he is the one who does the job of cooking. And because of the cooking action, what the result of that is seen in the karma and the tandula, which is gets softened. Therefore, that is a palam. So, two locus. Anukula kriya, devadatte vartate. So vyaparaha, paka, whatever is conducive for cooking, that vyapara as its ashraya and devadatta, and the result of its cooking action falls in the tandula, which is a palam. So binna yadikaranam. Therefore, pachadhatu is sakarmaka. If binna not binna vedikaranam, samana adhikaranam, like devadatta asati, asana kriya, asana vyapara, asana also kriya, right? Asana kriya. Vyapara as its ashraya, it has a dependency on Devadatta. What is the result? The result of that? That is also in the same only, same Devadatta only. Therefore, no karma. No karma, therefore, akarmaka, we say. Right? Okay, that is the definition. Phala vedikana vyaparaha Vachakatvam, Sakarmakatvam, Pala Samanadikana Vyapara Vachakatvam, Akarmakatvam. The status of being a Sakarmaka and Akarmaka is Pala and Vyapara, Pala Vyapara Yoho, Samanadikarana Vachakatvam, Yasya Dhatoho, Samanadi, Pala Vyapara Yoho, Samanadikarana Karanamasti, Tahadat, Tasya Dhatoho, Savadhatoho, Akarmakaha iti. फलव्यापारयोः व्यधिकरणम् अस्ति चेत् सः धातुः सकर्मकः भवति. Right?
Yes.
Okay. These things are better not to translate it in English. English, if you translate, you cannot give parallel translation. That is also not good. So you have to give the equivalent translation of this sentence. This itself look like a sutra. Vachakatvam, sakarmakatvam, right? Sakarmakatvam means the status of being a sakarmaka dhatu. Then vachakatvam. Vachaka is, what is vachaka? Vachaka is word, right? Vachaka. Karma vachaka. Vachaka means prayoga also. Prayoga, vachaka, all same meaning. Word. Vachaka means word. Vachakatvam, status of being a word. So dhatu. Sakarmakatvam, vachakatvam. Phala vedikarana vyaparaha. Phala vedikarana vyaparaha. Vachakatvam. Sakarmakatvam. I think phala vedikarana vyaparaha. Sakarmakatvam, vachakatvam. You have to put it other way. Phala vedikarana vyaparaha. Sakarmakatvam, vachakatvam. Phala samanadikarana vyaparaha. Akarmakatvam, vachakatvam. The word expressing the phala and the vyapara, I mean the same locus, is said to be and said to enjoy the status of being a akarmaka. That is the translation. If at all we want to do it like that in English. Only the word which is said to have the different locus means phala and vyapara, said to enjoy the status of being a sakarmaka dhatu. This translation is ugly. That is why better not to do like that. We don't, Swamiji Gita translation, he will not do parallelly. So he will do only that translation is not exact translation, not possible. So the meaning of this is Sakarmaka dhatu will have Vinna Vidikaranam. Phala and Vyapara will have different locus. Akarmaka dhatu will have same Adhikaranam, same locus. Phala and Vyapara are located or have the same locus. What is Akarmaka dhatu? That is the meaning. The meaning only you have to take. We cannot exact, the translation will be ugly. So the next sutra. Okay, anyway, this is what this the sutra says. That is sutra. That's why it's an important sutra. The repetition of chakara 2 times is to bring the kartari 2 times. Kartari, laka karmani, kartari, bhave, kartari, cha akarmakebhyaha. So akarmakebhyaha it is mentioned. It is for bhave, kartari, cha. Therefore, because this is not said about this, therefore it has to be for sakarmakebhyaha. We need to understand like that. Because it is not said. Not said means shesha. Shesha, what is shesha? Uktat anyaha sheshaha. Right? Already we have said sheshat kartari parasmai padam visa, right?
Yes.
The sutra, karmakebhyaha means akarmakebhyaha dhatubhyaha bhave kartari cha bhavanti. And what about the remaining dhatus? Question comes. That is said in the first part of the sutra. Kartari karmani cha sheshe. Right? That's what we have to understand. Okay.
Nice.
The sutra doesn't say sakarmaka directly, but saying akarmaka, it says sakarmaka indirectly. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Understand, Vachaspati?
Yes.
So ultimately, understand what the sutra tells. That is what is important. Okay. Ultimately, what the sutra conveys. Fine. Let us go to the next sutra. Next sutra. Before next sutra, All are technical. So far, we have been seeing technical only. A lot of sangyas and more paribhashas also. I need to teach you some paribhashas. Maybe after teaching lakaras, I'll teach some paribhasha, which we'll be using. And we have that. Without that, I taught you something because paribhasha requires certain things, and more examples are required. Without examples, we cannot do paribhasha. For examples, we are not come to that level that to cover some examples also. That is why paribhasha is skipped, but I will do some paribhashas. Now this is important. See, you know where the pratyas. Pratyasya adhikaraha kaha atmane pada adhikaraha kutra ashtadhyayam and sandhi adhikara sutram kutra iti sarve वयं जानीमः किल नौ एका तद्वत् आकडात् एका संज्ञा तदपि दृष्टवन्तः तत्र आकडात् एका संज्ञा तत्र परस्मैपद आत्मनेपद इति कुत्र वर्तते कस्मिन् अध्याये कस्मिन् पादे वर्तते इति दृष्टवन्तः एतावत् तद्वत् अत्र लकारार्थः लकारार्थः मीन्स् लकारस्य लकारेण कालनिर्देशः भवति yes or no by lakara what is denoted what is means don't say karta I mean in general lakarah lakarehi kalanirdeşah time right
Yes.
kriyapada means tense in English also write that only right eat ate eaten time when the kriya happened that is also inbuilt in the lakara. When we say lakara means 10 lakaras are there. Lat means present tense, right? In the sense of present tense, we need we add certain pratyas. The pratyas have certain forms. The pratyaya only have certain forms. What about lang lakara? The same pratyaya, set of pratyaya, but undergoes some change. Takara, tam, an. Lot lakara, tu, tam, antu. Right? Eat, eatam, ihu, ling lakara. All this lakara is kala. Tena lakara kalaha, kalasya nirdeshaha kriyate, right? So bhute, that is past tense, present tense, future tense. Now, this lakarasya arthaha lakararthaha. So that is starts from here 3 to 84. From here we are going to see. You will see this and then you will see Sutra Pata. Bhute means past tense. Bhute arte. So bhute arte in the sense of past. The lakara which are used, the sutras related to that will be seen in this range. Third chapter, second section, 84th sutra onwards. 84 to 3 to 84 to 3 to
Good.
123.
Wouldn't be 3 to 1 to 2?
Sorry?
The last one would be 122
Why?
because 1 to 3 is Vartamani Lat.
And 3 to 84. Yeah, 3 to Bhute. Bhute arte. Bhute in the sense of past, the sutras you will see here. What will happen, etc. All the sutras related to the the past tense. Then 3 to 123. 122. Yeah, 122. Yeah, 122 it is. Okay. Then starts Vartamane. So this is Adhigara, where you will see the sutras related to past tense. So past tense means today's past, yesterday's past, remote past, all the past, right? They are covered. Is it mentioned here lung? No. Lung you will see under this Adhigara. So Bhute Adhigare, you will see lung, you will see lit, you will see all those lakara. See litaha, here we have litaha, anadyatane lung, abhigya vachane rit, future tense, parokshe lit, then letters may. The let lakaras ma if you use, it can denote past. We say no, patati sma. That is the sutra. So all those things are mentioned. So we will see whatever required for us. So we will see when the context comes. Then 3 to 123, Vartamane. Vartamane is Kala. Bhute past. Vartamane means now.
Yes.
This is Shanachrupam Vartamane, the sense of present. So, okay, that will come later. In the Bhute itself, you will see 3 to 110. What is that? Lung Lakara. Lung is past tense. Lung Lakara. We will see Lung Lakara, but not now. Lung we will see at the end only. This is a little difficult Lakara. Other Lakaras are simple. First you see that and then only Lung. Lung's Lakaras, you will see the scholars will be using the language, speaking language. We others just will you always used either Kridanta or simple past tense. But Lung Lakara, even we use no Kamo Kashit Manyara Kashit Namo Namaha. That's it, Kama Kashit Japa. Akashit. So Lung Lakara. Even Klaibyam Mas Smagamaf Partha. There also. Karmanyavadhikaraste ma paleshu karasa ma karma pala hetur buhu abuhu lung lakara. So you will see mangi lung. Okay. So you will see many examples also in the Shastram. So lung lakara. Lung lakara, what is the sutra? 32110. So therefore, under which adhikara it is located? What tense it will denote? What kala?
Bhute.
Because it is 32110. Therefore, it must be bhute. Bhute arte lung prayujyate. Right?
Yes.
Lung lakaraha, bhute arte, dhatoho, paraha, bhavati. Understand? That is what finally is. Lung lakara, therefore lung lakara is past tense. Then anadhyatane lung, this is what lung lakara is. What is the number? 32111. These are all important sutra we need to remember. Bhute adhikara, first number 1, 3 to 84, third chapter, second section, 84th sutra, under which we have 3 to 110, which is lung, anadhyatane lung. What is anadhyatane? Adhyatana means today.
Past.
Anadhyatana means not today.
Not today. Yes.
Not today means, is it tomorrow?
Not necessarily.
No, not necessary. It cannot be tomorrow because we are talking about both. It is 3 to 111. Not today's past. We have to add past. It is yesterday's past. That's what anadhyatane. Not tomorrow. There is no question of tomorrow because adhikara is bhute. See the number. 3 to 111 is within the range 3 to 84, 3 to 122, right? So therefore it talks about the past tense only. The past tense, which is not of the today. What is today? According to English, I mean by English Gregorian or the method, the calendar, whatever it is. Today's yesterday's night. I mean not even yesterday. We cannot say yesterday. Today, I mean midnight, 12 o'clock to today's 12 o'clock is the day, right? That is today. But Shastram, according to Shastram, it is not like that. Our time starts only when the sun rises, 5:30. And next day morning up to 5:30 is today only. So I will say tomorrow, I will say, I will come today at 5:15 a.m. I should say like that. I will come today at 5:50 sorry, 5:15 a.m. Don't think it is on Thursday. What I mean 5:15 is Friday 5:15 a.m. because Thursday 5:15 is yesterday. You understand?
Yes.
Do you follow what I'm saying? So,
Yes.
Yes.
according to our astrology and our way of thinking is from sunrise to sunrise, not something 12 o'clock. Why is 12 o'clock? Why is 12 o'clock the midnight? Something, basis for to say that. Something we will say. We have to fix. 5:30 when the sun rises. If even 5:30 means 5:29 is yesterday only, not today. Today is Friday, right? Now it is Friday. Now it is Thursday. 5:29 today morning is. It's not Thursday. It is Wednesday. And 5:29 tomorrow is Thursday. 5:31 will be next day, Friday. Right? Whereas English calendar, today night 1 o'clock is Friday, but for us it is Thursday only. Understand?
Understand.
So Anadhyatana means not today. Not today means, is it tomorrow? No, because we are dealing with past. Not today's past. Yesterday's past. So yesterday past means from where it starts, yesterday past? Tell me. If today is Thursday, what is yesterday's? Yesterday past. Where it ends, I'm asking. Where it started, I cannot ask. Because it started from time immemorial. But where, up to what was, where it ended? Yesterday's past.
Until today's sunrise.
Today's sunrise 5:30. Right?
Yes.
So, that is, today past is, see, now the time is 3:30, right? For me, 3:30 p.m. So, today, Adyatana means today is past. Adyatana Bhute. Today's past is 5:30 to now 3:30 is past. That is today's past. The Lang Lakara should be used not in today's past. Anadyatane. Na Adyatana. It means referring to the action which happened before 5:30 today. Then only Lang Lakara should be used. Suppose we started our class when? 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock is today's past. I should not use Lang Lakara, strictly speaking. You understand? It is past,
Yes.
right? 3 o'clock is just half an hour before past. But we cannot use Lang Lakara. But we use it. In the language, we use it. That's not a problem. Okay. So according to Sutra, I'm saying. See, Asmakam Kaksha. Trivadane Arabda. Right? So how do you say, suppose using Lakara, suppose. Anadhyatane Lang. Arabhyate. I'm using just a past passive prayoga. Passive tense, Karmani. Arabhyate. So that is the class started, right? Class Kaksha Arabhyate. Class started. Maya Kaksha Arabhyate. This is present tense. So we have to use past tense. What is the past tense for we have to say Arabhyata. Maya Kaksha Arabhyata. Right? Maya Kaksha Arabhyata. Please see. So Arabhyata is Lang Lakara. Strictly speaking, I should not use Lang. Okay. Otherwise, I'll give another simple example. Okay. 3 o'clock, I went to the market. Okay, suppose. Or I went to the school. Simple example. Agam Vidyalayam or Saha. Simple example. Saha Vidyalayam Agachyat. What time? Just half an hour before, right? Saha Vidyalayam Agachyat. We say 3 o'clock. Agachyat is what tense? Lang Lakara. It is that 3 o'clock event, is it today's past or yesterday's past?
Yes.
No, today's past, sir. 3 o'clock, just half an hour before. Now the time is 3:30. 3 o'clock event. Trivadane, Sayankale Trivadane, Saha Vidyalayam Agachyat. Half an hour before it happened, right?
Hmm.
I said agachat. I use lang lakara. But according to Sutra, we should not use. What lakara you have to use? You have to use only lung lakara. Anadyatane lung. Yesterday's past, you can use lung. But what about today's past? Then minus lung, what you have is only lung. I understand. So lung refers to past, the general past. Any past is lung only. Now this will be clear when I show you this graph. You see the graph. The center line is latlakara. Okay. The center line is latlakara. What is lung? Everything which happened before, all are lung only, past tense. And this lat is today. You can see the arrow, right? This is today, right? From this is 5:30. This arrow mark is 5:30. 5:30 a.m. to next day 5:30 a.m. is today, right? Thursday 5:30 a.m. to Friday 5:30 a.m. is today. That is lat. So lung is Thursday 5:30. The yesterday ends. That is lung. Start from where? There's no starting point. All whatever gone, lung. It is lung. So what is then? If I want to use for today's past, then what should I use? I have to use lung only. Understand?
Hmm. Yes.
But in the language you use past also. Lang lakara we use. In fact, we use lang lakara. Lang lakara or kridantas we use. That's okay. In the language it's possible. But according to Sutra, anadyatane lang. You understand?
Yes.
What about lit? Lit is that which happened very long back. Paroksha. Paroksha means you were not there to see it. You heard Rama went to the forest. Did you see?
Hmm.
Did you see Rama went to the forest? No. You heard. Similarly, your friend no, went to United States. You did not see. You heard. Or he went maybe long back, remote past. Or something what happened to you in your childhood, you're saying. All are lit only. Understand? Paroksha.
Yes. Yes. So if you learn the lung, we can apply it for any past.
Yes, any past. Whether it is lung or lit. But it is most difficult to lakara. Please note.
Uh,
That's why lung will be at the end only. Never think of at the beginning. It will be only at the end. If at all some sutra comes, you just skip that and move on. In fact, some sutras will come in between. So lung focus will be on lung, let, lot, and link first. Sarvadhatuka lakara. But you need to understand what is this, right? So vartamane let, right? Bhute in the adhikara, lung will come, lung will come, lit will come. Lung sutra, what is the number? Just now we saw. Bhute one, it's 3 to 84 to 3 to 122. Then lung will comes 3 to 110.
110.
And anadyatane lung. Then parokshe lit. The three lakaras astam. Lung lakara, lit lakara. Bhute arte, prayujyate. Right?
Yes.
Is it clear?
yes.
So we are going to see the sutra, in fact. Then
Nice.
vartamane arte lat lakaraha prayujyate dhatoho. Lat lakara sutra is 3 to 123 up to the adhikarandal. You need to remember where to refer. Starting from 3 to 123 to 331. Third chapter, third section, first sutra. What is the first sutra? Unadayaha Bagulam. I think so. Yeah. Unadi up to here is 331. So Vartamane letter. So you will see. Vartamane means present. Therefore, present participle you will see here. Right?
Okay. Understood.
What is Shatrishana? Present participle. Lataha Shatrishana Chau comes here. So Vartamane. So all the sutras which are listed here, it is the pratyas. You can see some pratyas, they are used in the sense in the present tense. Okay, we'll see that. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Lataha. Then 3 3. Wow. So 3 onwards. Bhavishyati. Bhavishyati means Bhavishyati not Kriya Padam. Bhavishyati is in the sense of future. Gamyadayaha. That is Sutra 3.3 onwards up to 3.3.15. The sutras related. No, there are that's the Adhikara where you find the sutras which are application in denoting the future. That is Bhavishyati, Gamyadeha, Bhavishyati goes Anuvritti up to 15. So there you will have Tumun Nulla. Now, what is Tumun? Patitum, Gantum. It is future, right?
It's to do.
So in that meaning.
Soon.
So all those things you will see here.
But
Then
would be only up to 14 instead of 15?
15. 15 also. 15 is Anadhyatane Lut. Future, but not today's future. Like what we saw, not today's past. Similarly, not today's future.
Okay.
What is today's future? Now today is Thursday 3:30. So till tomorrow 5:30 is today. Tomorrow 6 o'clock is not today. Understand?
Yes.
So
Understand.
that is Anadhyatane. Not today's future is 3:30 to tomorrow 5:30 is today's future. Not today. Then we have to use Lut Lakara. So therefore, to refer to the future tense, not today, what tense, what Lakara you have to use? Tomorrow I am going to school. We have to use Lut Lakara. But we use what? We use Lit Lakara. It's okay. In the language you can use. But it is Lut Lakara should be used according to the Sutra. Anadhyatane Lut. This is two you can note. Anadhyatane Lang. Not today's past, we cannot use Lang, but we use it. In the language, it's okay. It is we use. Similarly, Anadhyatane Lut. Lut Lakara should not be, should Lut Lakara, should be used for tomorrow's future. Then today's future we have Lut Lakara. Lut Lakara is for any future, in fact. It's for any future. Therefore, tomorrow's future is lit, but tomorrow's future also we use lit Lakara. Not only for today's future, in the language we use it for tomorrow's future also lit Lakara we use. So this graph you see. So this part on the right hand side is today's future. Strictly speaking, we have to use lit Lakara. Anyway, that's what we use. And for tomorrow's future, we have to use lit Lakara by the sutra. But we use lit Lakara. Because lit is by the sutra, lit sheshecha. This sheshecha, because of sheshe, it is used for all. But we will see in the sutra in detail later. You will understand what it is. So note this adhikara 332, 3315. So this is the future tense. Vartamane is in this range and Bhute in this range. In the Bhute, we have this three lakara, lung, lang, lit. Vartamane, we have let lakara, only one lakara. We have sampratyas, tuman, etc. Not tuman, sorry, shatrashanach, etc. And Bhavishyati, we have the lit lakara, lut lakara. And the sutra is 333 to 3315. In this range, you will find the sutra. Now, this is what we are going to take one by one and discuss. And here some important things are there that also we'll discuss. I think we'll do that. We'll do that in the next class. You understand?
Yes.
All these are the basis, the background, for what we are going to see. They're all the technical things. So you need to remember this, in fact. Anadhyatane lang, anadhyatane lut. So the graph is a good one. So I use always this, in my classes. And the star mark is there. About that I have discussed here. Maybe if you have time, I can tell you. You have time?
I will need to go.
Okay, so we'll stop here. Tomorrow again I will explain this. And the footnote here, will explain. Then we will see the Sutra Vartamane letter. Okay.
Okay.
Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम धन्यवादः।
धन्यवादः।